Now today we will discuss about definition of security, aspects of security, security services, and security mechanism. Before discuss about cryptography of network security, we learn about the background of this subject. Communication is one of the necessity of human beings. When the message is intended for the desired goal, so the following queries are needed. Student, so first query is generated, how can transmit the message secretly? It means so that no unauthorized person gets any knowledge of the message. And second query, how can sender ensure the message received in the right hand? This is second question. It means how technique be used and identify the sender a message received by the correct person. And third, how can receiver ensure the message sent by authorized person is coming from the right person exactly as it was transmitted. These queries are generated. So traditionally there are two ways to solve such queries. First, try to transmit the message via a trustworthy person, but it is very tough task. Second, a different scientific approach to solve this problem is cryptography. With the help of cryptography, it is possible to communicate secretly through the insecure channel. It means using the cryptography concept, B transmit the message safely by insecure channel. So several type of definition uses in the cryptography. So definition of cryptography are divided in terms of computer security, in terms of network security, in terms of internet security. So definition of computer security, generic name for the collection of tools designed to protect data and to frustrated hackers. Protect data to frustrated hackers. Next, network security measure to protect data during the transmission. And during the network security are used when data are transmitted with the help of network. Internet security measure to protect data during their transmission or a collection of interconnected networks. That these are different definitions: computer security, network security, and internet security. Now, what is the aim of course? Already discussed about objective of course. Now, our focus is on internet security. First aim, which consists of measures to prevent, detect, and correct security violation that involve the transmission and storage of information. This is aim of the course, the objective of the course. So, consider three aspects of information security. First aspect, security attack. Third is security mechanism and security service. Security attack means any action that compromise the security of information owned by an organization. Security mechanism is a mechanism that is designed to detect, prevent, or recover from the security attack. And security service means the service are intended to counter security attack, and they make use one or more security mechanism to provide the service. Some example: security attack, gain unauthorized access to information. This is the example of security attack. Second, impersonate another user either to shift responsibility for the purpose of originating and modifying fraudulent information. And any action that compromise the security of information owned by the organization. And second is information security is about how to prevent attack or failing that the detect attack information based system. And third, often threat and attack used to mean same things, have a wide range of attack. So security attack is divided into two types. First, passive attacks, second, active attacks. We will discuss in the next lecture. Now, security service. Security service enhances the security of data processing system and information transfer of an organization. Second, intended to counter security attacks. Third, is using on one more security mechanism, often replicate function normally associated with physical documents, which for example have signatures, dates, needs, protection from disclosure, tampering of destruction, be notarized or witnessed, be recorded or licensed. That type of physical documents are also used for the security service. Now, next, security service are divided into two categories: X.800 and RFC 2828. X.800 service means a service provided by the protocol layer of communicating open system which ensure adequate security of the system or data transfer. And second type of service, a processing of communication service provided by a system to give a specific kind of protection to system resources. So service are divided into two categories. Now, security service according to X.800, first is authentication, means assurance that the communicating entity is one claimed. Access control, prevention of the unauthorized use of resource, data confidentiality, protection of data from unauthorized disclosure, data integrity, assurance that data received is sent by an authorized entity, non-repudiation, protection against denial by one of the parties in the communication. So X.800 service, security service is provide authentication, access control, data confidentiality, data integrity, and non-repudiation. Next, we use the security mechanism. Several type of security mechanism used in cryptography network security, जैसे example encipherment. It means the use of mathematical algorithm to transform data into form of that is not ready to intelligible. डेटा इस फॉर्म में क्रिप्टेड कर दिया जाए कि उसको दूसरे फॉर्म में डिक्रिप्ट ना किया जाए, It is known as encipherment. This is the security mechanism. Second, digital signature. Using the digital signature data appended to or cryptography transmission of a data until the allow a recipient of data unit to prove the source and integrity of data unit and protect against forgery. So using the digital signature mechanism, we also provide the security. अगर हम बात करें access control, that entrance exam write the resources, it is also is the part of security mechanism जो already discuss किया था in security service. However, one particular element underlies many of the security mechanism in use cryptography techniques. Hence, our focus on this topic like cryptography techniques. So, similarly, security mechanism X.800 provide a specific security mechanism and pervasive security mechanism. In a specific security mechanism, encipherment, digital signature, access control, data integrity, authentication exchange, traffic padding, routing control, notarization that are included in a specific security mechanism. Encipherment already discussed, digital signature discussed, access control also discussed, data integrity also discussed. Again, discuss what is the meaning of access control. A variety of mechanisms that entrance access right to resources. Data integrity, a variety of mechanisms used to assure the integrity of data unit. And routing control means enable to selection of particular physically secure routes for the certain data. That is the mechanism used in specific security X.800. Now, pervasive security mechanism. Trusted functionality, security level event detection, security audit trial, security recovery. That type of mechanism is used in the previous pervasive security mechanism. So, in this video lecture, discuss definition of computer security, network security, internet security, what is the aim of the course, and discuss different aspects of security, security attack, security services, which type of services uses, divided in security services in two types, X.800 and RFC 2828, and security services, which type of services are used, X.80 authentication, access control, data confidentiality, data integrity, and non-repudiations. Security mechanism are uses like cryptography techniques. So, two type of security mechanism defined here, X.800, specific security mechanism like encipherment, digital signature, access control, data integrity, authentication, exchange, traffic padding, routing control, notarization, and pervasive security mechanism, trusted functionality, security level, event detection, security audit, trial, security recovery, etc. Now, in the next lecture, we will discuss about active and passive security attack, model of network security, and what is the basic terminology. Thank you.